Saturday, January 3rd, 2026. 02 hours. The city of Caracas sleeps. But in the sky above, the map of South America is being redrawn. Operation Absolute Resolve. A mission approved directly by the new U.S. administration. The objective is not a building, it is a man. Tier 1 operators, Delta Force, the unit. They are flying low, hugging the terrain. Their target is Fuerte Tiuna, the most heavily fortified military complex in Venezuela. In Washington, the Situation Room is silent. The order was simple. Go get him. No warnings, no negotiations, just execute. Inside the fortress, Nicolas Maduro believes he is safe. He is protected by thousands of soldiers, anti-air batteries, and elite Cuban mercenaries. But walls mean nothing to the Night Stalkers. 14 hours. The birds are 1 minute out. Touchdown. Delta Force doesn't knock at the front gate. They land directly on the roof. The element of surprise is absolute. The perimeter guards don't even hear them until the roof is already breached. Resistance is encountered on the second floor. Cuban G2 intelligence officers try to hold the hallway. It is a short fight. The operators move like water, room to room, clearing sectors. Target is on the move. Maduro wakes up. He realizes what is happening. He scrambles toward his purpose-built panic room. It is a bunker designed to withstand a nuclear blast. If he gets inside, the siege could last for days. But panic makes you clumsy. He fumbles the lock. He tries to seal the door, but he is 2 seconds too late. The door is breached. The president of Venezuela is on the floor, zip-tied. Jackpot, target secure. His wife Cilia is also detained. The radio crackles. Package secured, moving to extraction. The entire raid took less than 15 minutes. Below, the Fuerte Tiuna garrison finally wakes up. Alarms scream. Tanks start engines. But they are fighting ghosts. Ao tu toin tul. Il toin tu. 40 hours. Extraction. Before the anti-air batteries can lock on, the birds are gone. Fading into the Caribbean night. The destination, the USS Iwo Jima, waiting in neutral waters. A floating piece of American soil. From dictator to prisoner in 45 minutes. Casualties? 0 on the American side. The myth of Maduro's invincibility is shattered. Monday, January 5th, New York City. The world watches in disbelief as the plane touches down. He walks into a federal court, not as a president, but as a defendant. The charges have been ready since 2020. Narco-terrorism, drug trafficking, weapons proliferation. The Southern District of New York doesn't miss. He pleads not guilty. He screams about immunity. He calls it an act of war, a kidnapping. But the judge looks down and sees only a criminal. Immunity does not cover drug cartels. President Trump addresses the nation. He calls the operation brilliant. He confirms the Department of War is strictly enforcing the Monroe Doctrine. The statement is chilling. The U.S. will manage Venezuela during the transition. It's not just regime change, it's a total reset. Back in Caracas, chaos reigns. The power vacuum is instant. Different factions of the military are confused. Vice President Delcy Rodriguez tries to hold on to power. She goes on TV demanding the return of the president. But the army sees the writing on the wall. If the Americans can take the president from his bedroom, no one is safe. The economy freezes. The U.S. Navy imposes a strict blockade to prevent any other leaders from fleeing with gold or oil. The geopolitical shockwave is massive. Russia and China condemn the act, but they do nothing. They know the rules have changed. This operation sends a message to every dictator on the planet. There are no more safe havens. The era of untouchable strongmen is over. If the Department of War wants you, walls won't save you. History has turned a page, and it was turned in the middle of the night by men who don't exist.